Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel, where we give you daily updates on the crypto market and every opportunity that crypto provides, such as airdrops, DeFi, NFTs, passive income IDs. And I will be covering also some charts today to give you an update on this bloody market. We are dropping a lot in the market and a lot of people are panicking. So I will give you an update on the end of this video. What are my thoughts and look on BTC and the current crypto market. So make sure to stay tuned until the end. So today this video will be more different than my other videos. I will be covering more things. If you like this, please leave a comment so I know for all my upcoming videos what I should do. Alright, so I will be covering 5 topics today. The first one, what is the Sefi Airdrop about? The second one, what are the requirements for this airdrop? The third one, how to claim the Sefi Airdrop plus all the distribution info you need to know. And the fourth one is an update on the distribution of asset Mantle, the airdrop stake drop. Because a lot of people are asking me, when will we receive the asset Mantle token? So I will give you an update on that. And then the fifth and the last thing of today, I will give you an update on Bitcoin and the current crypto market. What are my targets? What am I looking at? And what can we expect? So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Give me a like, give me a comment, and I hope to see you into the next one. Let's get into the video of today. So to see what is Sefi about, you can see first, you have to know what is Secret Network. Secret Network is the first of its kind open source blockchain that provides data privacy by default. As the first blockchain to support encrypted inputs, encrypted outputs, and encrypted state for smart contracts, Secret Network allows for new kinds of powerful decentralized applications to be built. Secret Network is airdropping 10% of all the Sefi supply to secret stakers. Secret Swap liquidity providers. If you don't know what Secret Swap, go check it out on their website and you just click onto use Secret Swap and go check it out. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Secret Network, Ethereum Bridge users and certain Ethereum DeFi communities that are supported on the Secret Ethereum Bridge. The remaining 90% supply will be distributed to Secret Swap users, Sefi and secret stakers, and for the development fund over the course of 4 years. So maybe it's a good idea to start using Secret Swap. You can see right here, Secret Network will take random snapshots between March the 4th, which is on March 31. So it's between March the 4th and March 31. You can see a total of 10% of all Sefi supply will be distributed to eligible users at Genesis as follows. 75% will be distributed to secret stakers, Secret Swap liquidity providers, Secret Network Ethereum Bridge users. The remaining 25% will be distributed to certain Ethereum DeFi communities that are supported on the Secret Ethereum Bridge. And the other remaining 90% of the supply will be distributed after Genesis to Secret Swap users, Sefi and secret stakers, and for the development fund over the course of 4 years. So this is everything that you need to know about Secret and what the requirements are for the airdrop. So now let's take a look how we can claim the Sefi airdrop plus all the distribution info. Click onto this Medium post. So here you can see Sefi is the native governance token for the Secret DeFi ecosystem. If you want to learn more about Sefi and Secret, go read this article. I will drop this article in the description of my video. So make sure to go read that if you want to learn more about Secret. Also, what you have to keep in mind, you can go to Discord and you can go to the secret chat on Discord and you can talk with the secret community, and there are a lot of people who are going to help you out and they will show you everything you need to know about Secret Network, about the Sefi airdrop, and how you should manage that. So now I will show you how to claim your Sefi airdrop. If we click onto this page, sefibonus.io, we come to here. What are we doing? We just click onto this. Step 2, check your wallet here. Once we are onto this page, to find out if we receive an airdrop, we click onto our Kepler wallet. We copy our address. Then we paste it right here, and then we can see I have delegated 50 secret. This is my cumulative, and the day staked is 1, and my progress to payout, you see it right here. So if you click onto that, you will see I have more delegated, but I redelegated to the Jackal DAO. I showed this in my other video, I will leave a card in the top right corner. Because if you stake to the validator Jackal DAO for the Jackal DAO airdrop, you'll receive a 2x bonus. So that's why I did it. But now I'm staking 50. As you can see from yesterday, I did it. So now I will be accumulating 0.01 CFI. But you can see it's not paid already. I will give you an update when it's paid. For the people who want to buy CFI token and think maybe it's a good possibility to trade this token, you can go to Secret Swap and you can buy the token right there with Secret. So if you click onto use Secret Swap, you come to this, you can see your address, you can do view balance. You just have to submit this to see your viewing key. This is Secret Network, this is about privacy. If you don't know how this works, go read that article on Medium and go research something about CFI. Click approve into your ledger. Alright, transaction is pending. Alright, congratulations. But you can see right now I have 1.7 secret, but you can see right here as secret I have 0. So what do we need to do? We need to click on to buy convert secret, and then we have to wrap our secret first. You can see you can also do it bank or Visa. This is not a problem. So you can wrap your Visa. So you can wrap your secret network token to as secret token. So I will do this. Just gonna take 75%, one secret, wrap, approve. Now confirm this into your ledger. If you don't have a ledger, I would recommend this to everyone. For every network that you're using, ledger is very good to protect your crypto, to protect your private key. So if you don't have one, use the link in my description. You support my channel, I appreciate that a lot, and you protect yourself. Transaction is loading right now. Alright, converted. So now if we go back, you will see my balance, 1.9 SS secret. So now select the token, select CFI. I'm gonna do 1.2. Let's do the max. Alright, swap, approve, confirming, done. Alright, we have swapped 1.2 for 188 CFI. So now we cannot stake this in our Capro wallet. You can go check, you will not find this. So what can we do? We just click on to earn, and then we will see right here CFI staking V2. So we have a 10x multiplier, so click onto that. Then you just provide, I'm going to provide the max. Alright, earn, approve. Just confirm this into my ledger. Alright, we have staked 188 CFI in the rewards contract. So if you want to see your balance of claiming, you will see always you have to click on to view balance. This is because this is a privacy network. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment. You will also see every time you deposit, withdraw or claim, the contract will automatically claim your rewards for you. So that's really interesting. You can see we have a 70% EPR and we have a 10x multiplier. Multiplier represents the proportion of CFI rewards each farm receives as a proportion of the CFI produced each block. For example, if a 1x farm received 1 CFI per block, a 10x farm would receive 10 CFI per block. This amount is already included in all EPR calculations for the farm. So that's everything you need to know. If you have questions, just leave a comment. If you want to know the price of CFI and all the information, just click onto CFI and you will see everything you need to see. Join the privacy first, front running resistance, open finance movement. So go check it out, I would say. Now let's get into the fourth topic of today, the distribution of asset Mantle. So if we go take a look at Twitter and we look at asset Mantle, we scroll a bit to the downside. Let's take a look. Scroll a bit down. Alright, April the 9th. Stake drop Mantle distribution explained. There is no claims process for the stake drop post. The distribution will be automatic according to the vesting schedule, commencing from the token genesis. You can see right here, one locked 6 months, and then we have a linear vesting. So keep this in mind. So if you want to stay updated, go follow them on Twitter. And maybe go to the website and put on your notifications so you don't miss this out. Don't worry, I will always give you an update when they will airdrop. I will give you an update when they are distributing the asset Mantle token. Now let's get into the last topic of today. What is my current look on BTC and the crypto market? I hope this can give a lot of people some confirmation. Where are we heading and what's happening into crypto? As you can see, this is my chart for BTC. You have to keep in mind, BTC is the big papa. Without BTC, the market would crash. Let's say it like that. So if BTC is dropping a lot, you will see a lot of blood and a lot of market cap that is getting sucked up from altcoins. So if BTC drops like this, what we see right now, and we measure this from here to here, we can see this is 6%. But if we on this moment go look at the chart of EP3, if you didn't saw this video about EP3, I will leave a card in the top right corner. This is my next 100x altcoin. They also had an airdrop. So in my opinion, this ecosystem will grow a lot in the future. So if we're gonna measure the drop from BTC, it was 6%. If we measure the drop from EPY from yesterday, we can see this is 13 or 12%. So this is the double. So you have to know this. If you're investing in crypto, you can invest in Bitcoin and you will have lot less downside risk. But you have to know if you're investing into Bitcoin, you will not make the big moves like this. If Bitcoin does 10%, some altcoins have a 20% move up, 50%, 100%, and even more than that. So that's what you need to know. The risk reward is small in Bitcoin and it's more like a safe haven, let's say it like that. And the altcoins are the risky bets, but this can be life-changing returns. So just keep that in mind when you are investing into crypto. So if I take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we were talking about this in our weekly overview, but I stopped doing the weekly overview because there is not much interest. So if you have more interest to see more of these videos, just leave a comment. I will show you. I draw this trend line from here to here. And you can see we are still respecting the trend line on the daily candle of BTC. So there's a high possibility this was the bottom and we will go up and maybe break this all-time high and maybe break this previous resistance. As you can see, this is a previous resistance that it was 48k. It also looks for me like liquidity. It was like a lot of money was still here and they just went and catch that money and now we're coming back down. So there's a high possibility we will break this trend line and we will go lower. As I said before, E, B, C. And then we come to 32k, 28k. This is my point of interest if we go bearish. But as I see for now, this moment, current moment, there's still possibility that this is a bullish trend because we are respecting the trend line and we are staying also on my support. This was a support of me, 40k, 39k, 500, and we are respecting it and we are retesting on it. We have just 2 wicks below and we are testing this support. As long as we stay above this, things can keep going bullish. If we break this, you know my target, 32k, 28k in between, 100%. If we break this and we break this structure of 37k, something like that, we will definitely go lower to 32k, 28k. So keep that in mind. A lot of altcoins will bleed a lot. You will lose a lot of money in altcoins. So make sure if we keep going to the downside, to de-risk your position so you can buy in later. If you can wait for a long time and you don't have a lot of capital in the market, the one thing I would recommend to everyone, but it's not financial advice, just save as much money as possible in stable coins, dollars, euros, whatever it is. Save it, keep it ready, and once we go really deep in the market, if we go to the weekly and we go take a look at 2020 March, you can see right here on this moment, we had a crazy drop as we look at the daily, and this was the bottom. Just know that. Let's go to the left, perfectly on the chart. What happened? Back. All right, we found it. This is the place. This is the place. So this was the bottom in 2020 for me. This was really like the moment to buy in. This was a better moment to buy. But I was not in the market. I was in the market from here at this position. This one, I was the first time in the market and I started analyzing Bitcoin and crypto. Before that, I was trading Forex. So if we take a look at that, we see this is a massive opportunity to buy. And if we look, how much is this drop? This is a drop of 41%, 40% in one day. So if you ever see a drop of 40% in one day, it's most of the time a very good opportunity to buy. As we can see right here also, if we dropped from here to here, it's also 20%. If Bitcoin drops more than 20-30% in a day, it's always a good time to buy and you can sell on the retest higher. As we can see right here, there's a possibility that the daily retests this level, 42k, to take out all the people who are shorting right now and to hunt their stop loss, and then we will even head back lower. let's see it like this. This is also an opportunity. Just keep in mind, on this moment, we are respecting the trend line and we are still in a bullish structure for me on this moment. But if we break this, keep in mind we will go as low as 32k, 28k. But this is also a possibility. Move A, B, we come back here, maybe even back to here to take all the stop losses for the people who are shorting right now, leverage. Come back to here or here, this is a big possibility, and then go back low as this and even break this support of 36k. This is a possibility. Keep that in mind. Another possibility that I will show that I'm looking at right now. You can see right here, we had a big move up. We had a good retest. A lot of wick. This was sucked up very quick. And then we had a big candle. Let's call this an institutional candle. But we never really retested this place where we broke out huge with a daily candle. So what I'm also looking at is this was move A, up, retest, very good retest to get really big bullish power to do this and come back to this and break this resistance. This is also a high possibility in the market. So keep this in mind and keep watching the charts daily, because this is the moment that you need to be in crypto. I would recommend everyone start DCAing in the market. Start buying daily, weekly, monthly, doesn't matter. But start buying some crypto. This is a good moment. Don't buy when there are green candles. Buy when there is a lot of red in the market, a lot of blood, a lot of fear. So I hope this was clear for everyone, and I hope you can get some value out of this. If you want to see more content like this, let me know it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos. I will keep posting daily value. So I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.